Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove the auto mode from your Panasonic AC in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to take a look at your Panasonic remote. Over here you just have to first of all simply press the power button only once. Then make sure that the remote's display is visible before changing the mode. Now over here you will see this type of mode option, so you just have to simply press the mode option repeatedly. Every time you press the mode button, you are going to see different types of changes like auto, cool, dry, fan, off. So you just have to simply keep on pressing it until you see the cool option on the display or until you see a snow fake icon. So when you see that particular icon, you just have to simply stop pressing mode. Then you just have to simply use the temperature buttons and you can increase or decrease the temperature for your AC. Now once you have done that, you can just simply select it between 22 degree to 24 degrees Celsius. Now if the fan speed still changes automatically, you can also press this particular fan speed button and then you can choose between the low, medium and the high options instead of auto fan mode. Finally, you can also take a look at the remote screen and make sure that the auto text is gone, the snowflake icon is visible and the fan is not set to auto. So this is going to confirm the auto mode has been disabled properly. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.